All right, so welcome back. Let's continue. Now we're going to work on the category container. I actually copied category container. I copied the class, but let me copy it again. Yeah, in the previous tutorial, then you copy the class. Then you go to the CSS part, start working on it. Okay, now we are going to first of all give it a background color of the highlight, our highlight color. Give it highlight color. Perfect. All right, then let's see what we have. So it actually took over the whole of this place, but we're going to share. We're going to adjust the size, the width, so maybe from here to where will be around 200 pixel, right? Let's give it 200 pixel. Width, or make it flex basis. I believe this is a flex container, right? Let's check. Let's just say max width. I think it will work. It max width 200 pixels. Let's see what we get. Okay, 200. Okay, it's supposed to be somewhere here, so 300 we do it. 300. 300. Okay, so but there's something we noticed here. We are having a space here, padding, because the nav bar has padding. So we are going to remove padding from nav bar now. We're going to remove padding from nav bar. Okay, let's, so that it will flush out here. Okay, so go back to nav bar, remove padding. See this padding, remove padding top and bottom, make make it 0. Okay, padding top and bottom. Yeah, do you see how it is now? So if you watch my this, do you see how this one is? Yeah, good, you are getting there. All right, then what again? Okay, we are going to make, let's sheets. Okay, we're going to make this flex. We're going to make it flex so that everything will be in the next line, in the same line. We're going to make the category container flex. So you say display flex. Okay, so now let's check again. After flex, then category content, we're going to make it to flush out, as in to expand, by putting flex 1. Come here, flex 1. So let's see how it is. Yes, so you see it has now come to this, but I have to give padding to this category container. This category container, I have to give padding to it. So say padding top. Okay, padding, let's make it 10 pixels, right? Is 10 pixels small? Seems to be small, but let's check. Yes, I think that's okay. That's okay for now. Okay, so you see what we have. Yes, so all this icon we're going to work on it, make it white so that it will show. Okay, it will show. I think, let me check this, the menu of other templates. Let me see how the menu is. Okay, the weight of this menu seems to be a bit larger. Yeah, let me increase my own weight to, let's say 20 pixels might be much. Let's try it first. This size is gonna be, yeah, I think that's okay. That's not bad. That's good. Okay, so let's work on the icon. Okay, I think, what am I gonna do now? Okay, this, where is the icon category? Icon, menu icon here. Okay, this one, I'm going to remove this phone icon. That's why it's showing like this. Maybe what I'm going to do is, I want to style both of them the same way. So let me remove this phone icon here. A block both delete. Then what I will do is I will do category container this. Okay, or category container span. I think this will serve my purpose. But am I going to need? I might need to style another span differently later in category. No, let me do category container span. Nothing spoil. Nothing will spoil. All right. So let's do that. Let's go back here. Come here. Just say category container span. So you are styling the span now. That span contains the icon. You get the point. So that's why I'm styling it. So I will now say color. We are going to go and get our white color, and which is, I believe this is the white color, right? Color shade 1, I think. Let's check. White color shade 1. That is it. That's the white color. Do you see that? It has given it color white, but this one has this color. Okay, let me see how my own is here. Okay, it even has this color. I don't know if I should give it white or I should return this one. Kind of confused. I think let me return this one. What do you think? Let me check first. Let me check other template and see how theirs is. Okay, they return this color, so let me return it too. Let me return it. So I will remove that color first and see how it's going to show. I will remove the color. Let me see if it will assume the original color. Yeah, it actually assume it here, and this is good. I believe it assumed it, or is it? It seems to be black. I don't know. I don't know if it's black. Whether it's black or not, let me add it. Instead, I will just do main color. Just add main color here in case if it's black, it will take main color. Okay. Yes. Now we've done this. The next thing we're going to do is let me look at my structure again. My HTML structure. Okay, I'm going to do this in such a way that this category content, this span and category will be on the same horizontal line, and there will be a little space. Okay, the space. I think the space is okay, but it's this is not on the same horizontal line. You see that this category is a bit below. This one is a bit on the top. Okay, let's try to see if we can make it to be on the same straight line. Okay, this one and this one are in the same straight line, but this one moves down a bit. Okay, so let's work on it. Let's work on it. And there's something I'm thinking. It seems the color, I think I'll use a lighter. This color, I think I will make this color lighter, so that this, if I must use this dark color, I should make this one lighter. Okay, and to make it lighter, I should come to color and choose this lighter part. Yeah, this one. Okay, maybe I will just go and type in put 2 there, because that is highlight color too. The category many container, put 2, so it will lighten up a bit. Do you see that? This is more visible now. It's showing more visibly, right? So if it must be this color, so the background should be light enough for this color to show better, and for the content to also show. You understand? So that's what I just did now. All right, so having done this, okay, just align these two, align them. To align them, this category container, no, not actually this category container, I have to go and check the structure again. So I want to align this. Okay, I'm going to choose this category content, I think I've used it before, right? Yeah, used it. I'll just say display flex. Just align item center, center. Yes. So let's check it. Do you see it has aligned it on horizontal basis? But I have to give little adjustment, just little space here. So I will just add margin left, margin right to this icon, so it will push this one a bit back forward. Okay, so let's go and do it. So what I'm going to do, category content span, that's what I'm going to work on now. Category content span. Okay, that is actually what I was working on before. I supposed to use category container here. As a matter of fact, let me duplicate this so that this color will affect every. So let me go and copy category menu container, so it will not just affect only the first icon, it will affect the color, will affect all. Understand? Yeah, the color will affect all. Now then I will not come here, I will change this to margin right, give it like 10 pixel. Yeah, so let's check it. Yes, let me see how it looks here. Sorry, how this one looks. Okay, see space, good space, right? Okay, maybe let me reduce the width a bit. Let's say let's give it 5, just slightly. Yeah, perfect. So you see we are making progress, and our navigation is looking so sweet as we move on with the project. Yes, then let's check our design again. Let's see. Okay, we're going to work on this part. So we're going to go to Google icon. We get uh, favorite icon and cat icon. Then we'll style them. Good. So let's quickly go to Google material icon quickly. Mm, First of all, let's say favorite. Oh, okay. Let's use love. I think love symbol will give us what we want. Beautiful. Uh, yeah, this is what we want. Choose it for favorite. Okay. Oh, I think I have to copy it. Then we have to go to this. Now go to this nav icons. Paste this first one. This favorite. Okay, but then you have to this favorite. You have to put link. Have to put link here. Maybe just add anchor link here. I'll call it. Okay, nothing. Let's just add icon anchor link. It will have nothing yet. Okay, so this link, this one will be inside. This favorite icon will be inside this link. I will copy this one also. Paste it. Sure. Yes, then we have to get cards. Let's check cards. Okay, I think this one can go for us. This can go for us, right? Do we change it to this one? Shopping bag, shopping cart, shopping bag. Getting confused. Oh, shopping basket. A lot of shopping. Ooh, let's choose this one. That's okay. Carts. All right. Call it carts. Beautiful. So let's check what we have so far. What we've done so far. Okay. Okay. You see carts. Oh, sorry. I mean, actually didn't add the. Okay. Oh, what? Where did I make a mistake? Since I made mistake somewhere, outline cat. Let me check. Supposed not to be any mistake. Cats like this. No. Supposed to be cat icon. Let's check and see what's happening. Okay, shopping cart. Oh, sorry. Shopping cart. Shopping underscore cart. Yeah. Shopping underscore cart. Shopping underscore cart. Sure. Yes, we got it, we got it. But we have to push this to this side. So how are we going to achieve that? To achieve that, let's check the structure of our HTML again. You see this icon, this container, this navigation container. That mean this nav bar is supposed to be flex. Is it not flex? Let's check. Nav bar is supposed to be flex item. I mean flex. Okay, it's not. Yeah, let's make it flex. Display flex. Okay. So let's see what we get now. So it will move it down here, but we want to push it here. Want to push it here. And this one, it has adjusted the size of this. Ooh. Okay, first of all, we know what we're going to do. First of all, I'm going to add flex basis to this, then and push this to this end. All right, so because we've made this navbar flex, you have to come down to a category container. Here we have to change it to flex basis. Flex basis, flex basis 300 pixel. Then let's check the structure again. Then now nav icon container, we are going to make it to stretch to the end. Okay. Let's go down here. Nav icon container, just make it flex 1, so it will stretch it to the end. Then we're going to do justify content. Okay, we're going to also convert it to flex because we want to move the content to the end, as in those icon to the end, right? So we just say display flex, then justify content flex end. It will move it to the end. Yes, do you see that? Then we are also going to do justify content. Okay, we're going to give it padding first, padding of padding of 20 pixel, right? I believe that's 20 pixel it has, right? 20 pixel. Okay. And okay, top bottom 20 pixel, left right. Do we actually, let me see how it's gonna look first. I actually want it to start from here, but if I add left and right now, it will start. Okay, let me see what we get first. Okay, it will center now, yes, but we need to remove padding from this side. Maybe we'll add padding this side, right? Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, 20 pixel left and right, top and bottom, then 20 pixel, then by this one maybe 20 pixel. Yeah, so this side will be 0, as in the right side will be 0 pixel, so it will remove pixel from that. I will still make it align items anyway, even though it has centered, but let's fulfill righteousness center. Good, beautiful. So I am kind of thinking of let me see the design first. Okay, I actually don't want it to be like this. As a matter of fact, I want it to be, I'm thinking of making it to be, oh sorry, let's go to maybe add, I don't think if it's necessary, add rounded corner here. Sorry, rounded corner here. Is it necessary? Okay, because we are going to add 0 by the side of this, so that rounded corner might not be necessary. So the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give space here, and I'll now add 0 here, where we are going to, as in when you add to cart, it will show 1, 2, or depending on how many items you have in the cart. Okay, so but I will first of all give space between this. Okay, so that's what we're going to work on now. So maybe nav icon span, we are going to style nav icon span now. So nav icon span. Okay, so we're going to give it margin left. What I'm going to do is nav icon span not last child. So you don't want this style, you don't want it to affect the last child. When I say last child, I mean this. You don't want, this one is the last child now. If I do this, it will affect only this one. Okay, if I have more icon, it will affect many icon, but it wouldn't affect the last one because I don't want there to be extra space here. You understand? So I will just say margin right, margin right. Yeah, give it like, let's say 10 pixels. Let's see how it will look. Check it. It didn't affect it. Let's see what happened. 10 pixel margin right, 10 pixel. Nav icons container. Let me check the structure again. Nav icon. Okay, nav icons container. Okay. Oh, sorry. We have a link. There's a link here. Oh, sorry. I've forgotten that we have a link. So instead of saying nav icon span, we're going to say nav icon A, which is the link. That's better, right? Yeah, let's go and do that. Nav icon A here. Yeah, better. That is better. You see that it has affected it, but we see it seems there's need for us to give it extra, um, extra space. Maybe make it 20 pixels. Okay. All right. So we are getting there. We are getting there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a 0 here, as in a box here. Then we're going to make a rounded corner, so that when you type in, when you add to cart, it will show. When you add to favorite, it will show. I don't know if I should put it on top here like this. I think that would be better. Let me check how this one is. Okay, this one is beside it. This one is also beside it, and it has box. Let me see how this one is. Okay, this one has circle, just like my own, just like the way I want to do my, the circle. Okay, the circle, and so let me do it like this. I think this makes sense, right? Let me do it like this. Let me see how Jumia does theirs. Okay, let me add something to cart in Jumia. Let me see what it will show me. Jumia actually wants one to click on the this to display the item somewhere. Okay, let me click on it now. It will display a page where you see the item. Yeah, maybe let me add Jumia. What's happening? Okay, this is add to cart. Sorry, I've seen it. So we add to cart. It's adding to cart. Okay, we are still going to add something like this in our work as we move on. Okay, just like you have in Heroic Academy. Okay. Okay, so you see this, you see how Jumia does theirs. The one of Jumia is on top, but let me use this one, this idea. Let's use this idea. Okay, yes, so let's come back here. We are going to add something in each of these here beside this. I'm going to add I'm going to add division, call it item container. I think that's okay. Yeah, item container, item container. So inside it just put 0. Okay, for now. So we're going to style this item container. Yeah, let's go there. Good. Style the item container. Border, let's give you 1 pixel for now. Maybe later we'll add 1 pixel solid. Yeah, great. Okay, then border radius 50%. Oh, sorry, yeah, 50%. Make it 50%. So let's see what we have. Okay, now we're gonna give it a width and height. Width, maybe let's say 40 pixel. Height, let's say 40 pixels as well. So we check. Okay, so big, and Actually, we need to make the anchor link flex. Okay, we'll reduce the size of this. Okay, reduce it to, let's say, 20. 20 might be small. Maybe 30 first for now. Maybe we'll check. But we have to work on the this container. This where is it again? Yeah, this one. We have to work on it. So we have to come maybe here. Remove last child just like this. Then you have to make it convert it to flex display flex. Okay, so display flex. Okay, let's see how it looks first. Okay, I think we're getting there. The same with the other one. Why is this coming to the next line? Let me check and see. I will reduce this size, but I'm coming. Let's solve this problem first. Why is this coming? Let's check the structure of our HTML. Okay, this. Oh, okay. Yeah, flex. Okay, this has converted it to flex, right? Okay, we need to convert this icon to flex as well. This nav icon is very important so that it will not shift, it will not move to the next line, right? So let's go and convert this to flex also. Display flex. Yes. So let's see what we have. Yes. Now I think we've gotten it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first of all reduce this size a bit and move and copy this again and put here. Okay. So first I'm going to come here, give it 20, 20, 20. Then you make it to convert it to flex first. Then the justify content center. I want to center the content, you understand? Center. Then align item, align item, align item center as well. Oh, I didn't get the center correct. Then come here, make it overflow hidden, hidden. Awesome. Yes. Okay, let me go to the structure. Let's copy this. Maybe I might even just carry this put here, so it will be on the same line like this. Good. Copy this, put like this. Good. So let's check this. Awesome. You see, we're getting there. We're getting there. Getting there. Yeah. Yeah. But let's check how this one is. Okay. I think so I will make this. I don't know if this white I kept this is okay, or do I just leave it as outline? Considering. First, let's add a little padding or margin by the left of this left, margin left, margin left. Call it give it like 10, might be too much. 5 pixel. Okay. The color, maybe let me change this to highlight color. Highlight, maybe I will give it that shouting highlight color, right? Let's go and get it. Let's get this shouting highlight color. Yeah, highlight color too. I think that will better. And even the icon itself, I will also give it that shouting highlight color. Where is the icon again? The icon, nav icon container, icon A span. Okay. category span. Okay, it seems I've not even styled the icon. I didn't. The icon is bearing the default color. Yeah, I will. I'll consider giving it this shouting color too. Let me increase the size of this, the strength of this a bit, and the width of this a bit as well. Let me make this maybe 25, 25, 25. Make this 2. Yes. Okay, then that icon, the icon, item container. Okay, no. Nav icons. Yeah, this way I'm going to get. Maybe I'll actually cut this, put it down here, paste it down here, and I will paste it again. Then I will use this one, just expand. I actually want to give it the same color as this one. Okay, but I'll just carry this. Just only this color is what I need. Just a color. Yes, that's beautiful. So let's check. Yeah, it's shouting now, and I think that's okay. Now I'm still looking at this thick, but this thick. Like, I don't know how it looks. Seems to be too thick. Do I return it back to 1? Uh, sorry. The tutorial is lengthy already. Oh, sorry about that. I don't want our tutorial to be too heavy, so I have to stop here. We'll continue in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.